Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak any iPhone device using iOS 13.3.1 version using PC. First go to web browser and type iosdownload.com. And press enter. Then select the device. And select the mode. After that, select the iOS version. Then press enter. Finally, we can show about the phone description on the display, then press check for jailbreak text. Then if we can jailbreak the phone, we will have this text awesome. You can jailbreak your iPhone running iOS 13.3. But if doesn't jailbreak the phone, we will show sorry. Currently there is no Windows jailbreak software available for your iPhone running iOS 13.3.1. Remember, it's official jailbreak checker website. Other YouTubers post the videos about how to jailbreak iOS 13.3.1 without PC. But it's harmful for your device and your personal security issues. Thank you for watching this videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.